kies ki batmai bangi yo mantaksi ki long san fu fra but nakini ar ki dena po East Garo Hills south na East Jaintia Hills south san na po East Khasi Hills san na po Ribhoi iway na po Southwest Garo Hills but ini day na ki armed forces paramilitary forces but iway day na po West Jaintia Hills kies baro ki balong active hadu mantakasi kelum lang kilong ar hajar south new but nakini si hajar south pa new huway ki don na po East Khasi Hills but si spa from new ki day na po ki armed forces paramilitary forces si hajar aspa from south ki day na ki way West Khasi Hills Khatlai Southwest Khasi Hills Nriu Ribhoi si spa lai Nriu Safu ar ki day na po ki armed forces paramilitary forces but Khandai Fusao ki day na ki way West Jaintia Hills Khandai East Jaintia Hills aspa new Fusao West Garo Hills sispa new but nakini Sanfu San ki day na ki armed forces paramilitary forces but Sanfu ar ki day na ki way Southwest Garo Hills Khatsan South Garo Hills Nriu East Garo Hills Nriu North Garo Hills South ki case ki wala recover mantakasi kilong shispa new Khandai but nakini East Garo Hills iway East Jaintia Hills Lai East Khasi Hills shispa safuway but nakini sanfu fragi day naki armed forces paramilitary forces prafulai ki day naki way West Garo Hills arfu ar Khatway ki day naki armed forces paramilitary forces Khatway ki day naki way Ribhoi pra South Garo Hills are but West Jaintia Hills are idon iway bakhlat bangi kentiu mantakasi bangi ladap ai dot ya ki jing pentep menen janmet but baro ki bakhlat mantaki long life ufra but kiba la recover lot baro hadu mantakasi kelum lang kilong ar hajar news pa Nriu di ki case ki bangi yo thamai kilong kumni hapo East Khasi Hills are ki ki high risk case East Jaintia Hills south ki returnees East Khasi Hills South Fusan but nakini South Fusan iway di na po ka Barapathar cluster Khat ar na Gulf Link cluster Khatsan ki high risk contacts iway di na po Kiting Road cluster South ki na po Laban cluster Lai ki na Mauprem cluster iway di Norman Sound cluster iway na po Police Bazaar cluster Nriu na Penthor cluster iway na po Rilbong cluster Ribhoi San ki high risk Southwest Garo Hills iway ki armed forces paramilitary forces but West Jaintia Hills iway high risk case